Giant walks by. Big E train show, everybody. January 27th to 24. Let's get it coming around the bend here. One more Giants. I'm here today with my friends, everybody, watching these model trains and buying some neat stuff. With the old antique phone over there, everybody. Isn't that pretty cool? Look at that antique phone over there. Nice, huh? Let's see the antique phone. There it is. Look at that. That's awesome, huh? Hey, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to. Hit that like button for Lewis and I.